Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Open Outlook and sign into your email account before changing views. Look at the top ribbon and find the View tab command group. Click the View tab to reveal layout, arrangement, and reading pane options. Check the navigation pane on the left to confirm Mail, Calendar, People, and Tasks icons appear. If the navigation pane is compact, expand it using the three-dot menu in the bottom left. These steps prepare you to customize folders, message preview, and sort settings efficiently. Click Reading pane and choose Right, Bottom, or Off to change preview placement. Use the Folder pane menu to switch between normal, minimized, or off layouts for navigation. Open Message Preview and select 1, 2, or 3 lines to control snippet length. Adjust To-Do bar and People pane visibility from the same View tab for a decluttered workspace. Apply compact or single-line layout options under View settings to change spacing and density in the message list. Open View settings to customize columns, sort, filter, and grouping criteria. Click Columns to add or remove fields like from, subject, date, or size. Use Sort to order messages by date, from, or subject and choose ascending or descending. Apply Filter to show only unread, flagged, or messages from specific senders. Choose Change View and then save current view as a new view to reuse your layout. Click Reset View to return the folder display to Outlook defaults if troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.